computer to read the data.
Bitcoin is crashing. The entire market is trending down hard. Why is this happening? Are we entering a bear market? How will we know if we're entering a bear market? Should I sell everything? Which altcoins will give me the greatest return if we bounce?
Using the brand new system.
What is going on, guys? This is Tando from Tando Crypto Calls. I post videos weekly breaking down the market and teaching you how to make money in crypto. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the herd. Let's get into it. So the Fed minute came out and said they will speed up tapering. As you know, the Fed has been pumping money into the economy through quantitative easing, buying bonds and mortgage-backed securities from the bank to do so, which decreased interest rates and stimulated economic activity. This caused a lot of inflation, and so the federal government will stop this program and sell off their bonds, thus taking money out of the economy, shrinking their $8.6 trillion portfolio. This is bad news for risk-on assets like tech stocks and crypto. If we look at the estimated leverage ratio of all exchanges, we see that leverage is at an all-time high, which means that there will be a lot of volatility in the markets. The Bitcoin chart shows that we lost momentum when we broke down from the 50K region, and we finally hit the next line of support that has been tracking momentum since Bitcoin was 11K. If we do make a lower low here, it is highly likely that we put in a lower high, which will offer a lot of traders an exit point, looking eerily similar to a complex head and shoulders pattern. However, there is no symmetry between the shoulders and the neckline is not horizontal, so it's possible there is no real reversal pattern forming. If we do close lower here, expect at some point in the future we may revisit the summer lows of 29K. So are we in a bear market? If we switch over to the monthly time frame on Bitcoin, we could see that Bitcoin has not closed below the 20 EMA, signaling that we are not in a bear market. This level is 37,540 at the moment, and I would suggest making sure that it doesn't close below this before selling your coins. If it does close below, I would say we have a great chance of entering a bear market, but for now, this is not the case. In past cycles, we've bounced off this trend line and reached new all-time highs after everything settled. Credit to the Rational Root on Twitter for this infographic. We also see that the market is in extreme fear, which has signaled the bottom many times. Crypto Burb on Twitter says, since bottoming out in the depths of the 2018 depression, Bitcoin has only seen this oversold indicator only 4 times at 3, 10, 4, and 30K. Not long after these records were achieved, Bitcoin rallied very high. Baron Rothschild once said, buy when there's blood in the streets, even if the blood is your own. Warren Buffett said, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. The largest Bitcoin whale wallet, apart from Bitfinex and Binance, has been steadily buying Bitcoin during this dip. Now, I'm not saying that we are going to bounce here, but it is often a good idea to follow what the smart money is doing. If we do get a bounce, my number one altcoin to invest in is Link. In 2022, staking will be brought to Link, which means people will have to purchase Link, lock it up, and stake it in order to secure the network, which is going to drive the price up. The Link ecosystem now boasts over 1,000 project integrations with 700 Oracle networks securing over $75 billion in value, up tenfold from 2020. With partnerships with companies like AccuWeather and the Associated Press, and having ex-Google CEO Eric Schmidt join as an advisor, Chainlink is one of the most bullish projects in the crypto space right now. Looking on over at the chart, Link is still over the 20 EMA on the daily, which means it's very bullish and still in an uptrend regardless of this crash. A good entry point for Link would be the retest of this neckline, which is around $23, or a retest of the 20 EMA, which is around $22.60. Zooming out, if Link could break $38, its next Fibonacci target is around the $53 mark, followed by around $75 to $80. If we do fall below the $23 mark, Link can go downwards around the $19 mark, followed by $15, and after that, the next support is $11. The next altcoin gem is Atom. Atom has had a lot of bullish momentum recently, and we're lucky to get this dip back to the 20 EMA on the daily, which is around 33.36. Atom has a very powerful ecosystem of interconnected blockchains known as the Internet of Blockchains. Atom does have a price target first of $60, followed by $85 for the second Fibonacci target. If Atom falls below and breaks through the $33 mark, you could expect Atom to retrace down to about $26. If you lose that level, expect to go down to the $20 level. And the next altcoin gem is Frax, the world's first fractional algorithmic stablecoin. So Frax is a DeFi protocol with very good yields. If we look at the graph, we are looking a little bit overextended and we do have a bearish divergence forming on the RSI. A good entry point for Frax is $31. I mentioned this in my Telegram group, which you could join as well for free. I'll leave a link in the description. In the Telegram group, we discuss which cryptos are the hottest, how to trade, and much more. Now a little more risky, but a very good altcoin gem, Vader, the liquidity protocol combining stablecoin anchored automated market maker, impermanent loss protection, and synthetic assets with protocol-owned liquidity. Vader protocol is a combination of the best core ideas in DeFi, namely the stablecoin mechanism of Terra Money's burn to mint, the AMM of Thorchain, and the bond sales mechanism of Olympus Pro. Vader has had a lot of momentum, going up all the way to 12 cents, and now is finally coming down and trading around 7 cents. Vader is a very good DeFi protocol with a lot of potential, however it can be a little bit risky given that the market cap is kinda low. You can purchase Vader on Uniswap. To learn more about Vader, you can click on the link in the description. And in the last video I gave you guys Sol, which is the Phantasma blockchain. We were on our ways to go to 524, but unfortunately the market crashed, but that's okay because now we have some better prices. Phantasma is still holding above the 20 EMA on the daily, which is very bullish. This is a very good region to top up on Sol. If we do lose these levels, of course we could go down to this region right here around the $2 region, and we could even visit lower lows like 160. Next, as mentioned in a previous video, Phantom is the most undervalued project. It has had a lot of momentum and is finally coming down. Anywhere from $2.05 to $2.20 is a very good top-up region for Phantom. Of course, if we do lose these levels, we will go down to test the 173 and eventually the 120. And the next altcoin is Harmony 1. Harmony is trading above the 20 EMA, which is very bullish and has barely been impacted by this downtrend. A very good top-up zone for Harmony 1 would be around the 26 cent region. If we do continue upwards, expect Harmony to reach a target of 53 cents. Of course, if we lose the 26 cent level, we are going to revisit the 22 cent level. After that, we do have some more support around the 14 to 18 cent region. And lastly, one of the most bullish projects in all of crypto, Luna. Luna has had a very strong run, going from $4.50 in the summer all the way to $104. It has finally come down a bit, and I think that the $60 region is a very good region to buy Luna. If we do get a bounce and Luna breaks all-time highs of 104, you could expect it to go to the $130 region, giving you over double your investment. That wraps up this video. Thank you for tuning in. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content including technical analysis, urgent market updates, altcoin gems to help you earn big. You don't want to miss it.